come over. It's easy to find. Easy. How big is it? 10 foot. It fitted on the back of my car.
Me.
What car did I have before
The
the Swift?
Yours.
No, what did I have before the Swift?
See.
It fitted on the back. It's not big. It's only 10 foot maybe.
Also, they have to take this charge. Yeah, what's that? There's a dinosaur here. Yeah. Get one for her. Get one for her. Or give her the Bobby one. There, there's Barbie over there. Barbie. Oh, you don't know Barbie. Oh, Spider-Man. Who's that? Who's this? Who's this? Spider-Man! Oh, he does like doing blocks, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Does he have any though? Yeah,
The workers handed out 1,700 food parcels this week.
You been? Ready? You drive past? No, that.
Yeah, I
that's
drove
one,
past
one,
today. We
Leave
came
this one for her.
around the south one and we're coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was Waka. Somebody had come in and
Stick it on there.
hold it.
See? There's more. Huh? Oh.
Got it. Oh, you got the favourite car.
What are you trying to build? Huh? There's a house. We should show off all American. Yeah. You can have Spider-Man, Audrey. You can play with the block. Good boy. Put one in here. Put one in here. Put it in. Yay.
See, I don't want you in the feeling.
Oh.
Can you get in it then, or you have to be in it?
No.
Can you just get off for about a second and then sit back down? I don't want you in the feeling.
Once I get up, I go clean. Because I clean the kitchen.
Hurry up then. Just put the pillow behind him so you'll lean on the pillow. You're gonna fart.
Wait. You're not looking, you're king.
You didn't see her move.
Yeah. Get out. Cheese. Audrey. 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 Cheese.
Have we seen them?
I got some.
Very cute. Alright, Lena, there's no, you just, well, attention.
Nothing. Hey, what happened? What? Stop.
Jackie? Oh.
Last week.
Hey, Chopper.
Do you want to take him outside to see the helicopter?
Oh, it's a helicopter.
It'll be back.
Sit down, son.